Looking for the best rotisserie kits for your Weber Kettle grill? Here's a roundup of the top 5 picks based on Amazon reviews, starting from the lowest rated. At number 5, we have the Partaker Kettle Grill Rotisserie Kit for Weber 22-inch Kettle charcoal grills. It's a universal kit that includes a rotisserie ring, 2 meat forks, a counterweight, and a motor. Priced at $99.99. It boasts an average Amazon rating of 4.1 out of 5 stars. Its main advantage, it's easy to install. Moving up to number 4, the Shinestar Upgraded Rotisserie Kit for all Weber 22-inch Kettle charcoal and other similar size grills. It features a heavier duty motor and a more balanced design, ensuring your meat cooks evenly. This kit also includes a mounting bracket, a unique addition to this list. It's available for $89.99 with an average Amazon review of 4.5 out of 5 stars. In the middle of the pack at number 3, we find the company's OnlyFire product is a stainless steel rotisserie ring kit for Weber 22-inch Kettle charcoal grills. This kit is made of durable stainless steel, ensuring longevity and good looks. It's easy to install and fetches a price of $104.99. Its average Amazon review? A solid 4.6 out of 5 stars. The second spot goes to the Grison Rotisserie Kit for Weber Kettle grills 22-inch. This upgraded version includes a heavier duty motor, a more balanced design, and a stainless steel rotisserie ring. It's a real bargain at $84.99 and holds an average Amazon review of 4.6 out of 5 stars. And finally, our top pick is the OnlyFire stainless steel multi-purpose rotisserie and pizza combo kit for Weber 22-inch Kettle charcoal grills. This all-in-one kit not only allows you to rotisserie but also to cook pizzas on your Weber Kettle grill. It includes a pizza peel and a pizza stone, making it the most versatile option on our list. Its price tag is $145.99, and it also boasts an average Amazon review of 4.7 out of 5 stars. So there you have it, the top 5 rotisserie kits for your Weber Kettle grill. Whether you're looking for affordability, durability, versatility, or a bit of everything, there's a kit out there for you. Happy grilling. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe. Also, if you really like the video, hit the like button. See you next time.